Hello everyone, this side Dr. P.U. Amit, MD Homeopath, PCOS and Infertility Specialist from Pune. So today I am here to discuss with you all about homeopathic case taking in PCOS cases, which was a request by many of my colleagues and students. So, as all we know, PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, is a heterogeneous endocrine disorder of women in their reproductive age, which manifest through irregular menstrual history, polycystic appearance seen in ovaries and pelvic sonography, unovulatory cycles seen where there is no ovulation although the menstrual cycle is okay within 28 or 30 days, regular menstrual cycle we can say. So no ovulation seen in regular menstrual cycle, one of the symptom of PCOS, which manifest towards PCOS. Next symptom you see, unwanted facial hair growth, baldness. I have seen many PCOS cases with baldness. In recently 4 to 5 years, baldness is very prominent in PCOS cases due to increase in androgens or increase in male hormone, which is testosterone. In normal language you can say baldness is due to increase in androgens. Next symptom is seen as infertility. Nowadays, many couples are suffering from infertility. So they are advised for IUI, IVF. IVF too gets failed. They have very good chances of IVF failures. So they are advised for egg donor from another woman, which is due to unovulatory menstrual cycle. No egg is seen in the follicle. The follicle increases up to 22, 23, 24 mm and takes a cyst form. No ovulation is seen due to increase in androgens. Right? Many scientists have shown that PCOS leads to depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, negative body image and psychosexual impressions. So about etiology of PCOS, lack of awareness, lack of good dietary habits, hereditary, very important factor in PCOS, and next is lifestyle changes, stress, one of the common factor seen in predisposing towards the PCOS. Also, there is parallel increase in PCOS and diabetes type 2, where you see high insulin resistance seen. So whenever you have a PCOS case at your clinic, please go for fasting insulin checkup in the blood serum fasting insulin. So, in Organon of Medicine 6th edition, Dr. Hahnemann sir has given in footnote of aphorism 94, about special enquiry points in females. So, how should be a case taken in females? What are the points to be notified? So in chronic diseases of female, you should specially pay attention to menstrual history, sexual history, miscarriage history. With respect to menstrual history, whether it is irregular, whether it is regular menstrual cycle, the discharge of menstrual cycle is very important. The color of menstrual cycle is very important. Flow for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, it is profuse, it is scanty. All this are hints to reach towards simillimum. What is the general quality of menses? Is it continuous or interrupted? Clots are present or no? All these are special hints. Next is leukorrhea, white discharge per vagina. So leukorrhea before menses, during menses, after menses, color of the leukorrhea, smell of the leukorrhea, very important to be noted. Next is you have sexual history, where every physician I have seen hesitating to ask about the sexual history, which is the main important leading point to reach towards the simillimum. So in sexual history, you can ask about increased desire, diminished desire, or either suppression. Is it painful or it is painless? So in diminished sexual desire, you have remedies like causticum, natramur, sepia, many remedies you have. In increased sexual desire, you have lachesis, platina, conium, Floric acid, one of the leading remedy where I have many results. In increased sexual desire in females, Floric acid, wonderful results. Increased sexual desire with PCOS, Floric acid is one of the leading remedy. Next, you can see aversion to coition, where you find natramur, sepia, Kali group, one of the leading group, Kali group, where you see aversion to coition, Kali bicrochium, Kali carb, many Kali remedies you can see in repertorization. Next is painful coition. Painful coition, you have remedies like natramur, sepia, platina. Platina is one of the leading remedy for painful coition. Next is ferrum group. You have painful coition, ferrum group, ferrum met, and many ferrum remedies are there in repertorization. Next is about abortion. You should be able to get the history of abortion, miscarriage, if any. So abortion was in first month, second month, third month, fourth, in early months or late months. Whether it was at the end of third month, whether it was due to grief or any suppression, like ignitia and natramur helps where there is miscarriage due to grief or suppression. Whether the abortion is due to placenta previa, remedies are Nux vomica, Sabina, and many more. So this was a small glimpse about homeopathic case taking in females in PCOS and infertility cases. Please comment about your queries, and please you can suggest me the next discussion topic in the comment box. Bye bye. Take care.